Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Redmi 9 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode with the back camera. To get access to the mirror effect we have to change it to the front one. We can do it by using this button here from the right. So hi again, and from here let's move to the right corner to this button. When we tap on this we get access to more options we can manage. Now let's pick the settings in the left corner so we can open the advanced camera settings. From here let's slide a little bit down to the general settings. At the third position here we have mirror front camera. When we pick this we can decide if we want to have this turned on or turn this off like that. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.